Good morning. I'm gonna start the daily vlog. We're at Mike's Motorcycle and ATV Repair in North Platte, Nebraska. Maybe we'll take a look at that starter too to make sure we're good while he's in there. But if you guys didn't watch yesterday's vlog, well, we had a couple of issues. 3 different things that happened to us yesterday, so be sure to check that out. And one of them is Sunny needing a rear tire. Cords are showing. It wasn't worth riding 200 miles to get to our destination. Wanted to play safe but sorry, so check out the shop. Here we are. Gonna be here for a bit. Anything you wanna? Woo! Thank you for having a tire so we can get this done and on the road. It's coffee time. While we're working on the bike, we better go get us some coffee. I haven't had mine yet. Sonny, how many have you had already?
Just one.
Oh, see, he needs his second cup of coffee and then we'll be good.
All right, y'all. So while we're waiting on our bike, we ended up at the espresso shop here in North Platte, and just funny thing is it's next to the gym, and our friends from last night you saw in the video, they showed up here, so we got to have coffee with them. But anyway, we met the owner, and the owner is a biker. There's his chopper right over here. So it's a cool little place. Check out that. Cool little place, great coffee, great atmosphere. So if you're in the Nebraska North Platte area, come check it out. Biker owned, biker friendly, and pretty damn good. What do you think, Ange?
I love it. The place it's got a cool vibe. I really like it.
So come check it out. Tell them the Badger sent you. All right, guys, so by 9:32, we're back on the road. Got a new tire on her, and we're ready to rock. Man, gotta love when things work out. So we got to stay the night here. We got to see our friends twice, and we got a new tire on the bike. Sounds like a win-win to me. Anyway, we're out of here. Ready to roll, Angie? Ready. Here we go. All right, gas stop number 2. We're probably 250 miles in today. Yeah, 247 miles in today, and a lot more left to go. 360 left to go. So we're not gonna really stop and eat lunch. We're just gonna shove some gas station food. I will say this, it's Casey's. I had a Casey's in my small town when I grew up. Casey's pizza is pretty freaking good. So I'm not gonna complain. We're having Casey's pizza in the parking lot, and then we're gonna hit the road. So far, bike's doing great. Onward and upward. Last gas stop, Clinton, Missouri. We are an hour and 45 minutes away. We should get there around 7, just in time to eat. Ready, baby? Away we go. All right, we made it, and we're toast. Let's see, 614 miles, 9.4 hours, but we're here. Now we're gonna go get some food. So I'll end this after we eat. See you in a bit. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Are you with me, Ange? Angie's pooped. Are you gonna make it? Are you glad you have?
Wind was something else leaving Nebraska.
Are you glad you have tomorrow to relax?
Yes, I need a
down day. Anyway, that's the plan. We're down daying it tomorrow.
My ears are ringing so bad. Hey, I want to say thanks to Keith Hibbert for sending me his Spotify link so I could have music to listen to.
Oh, okay. Didn't send me one.
It was all country, but
country?
I like country. So if anybody else has a Spotify playlist, send it my way.
Alright guys, well, that is a wrap for an adventurous couple of days. Tomorrow we're gonna have cashew chicken and maybe Andy's, but it's not gonna be too adventurous, I don't think. So we'll just have to see what happens.
I hope not. I hope it's very relaxing.
Good night, all.
Night.